I guess it's after curfew. I don't know if I should be out here.
Hey, you there!
Oh God. Oh, they're coming.
You're in danger. Come with me. Quickly. Quick! This way!
There they are! There they are! Over there!
Shh!
Over there!
Phew! I think we lost them.
Who are you? Where are we?
Look, I'll explain everything later, but it's not safe up here. We need to get below ground.
Like...
My name's Bunny, by the way.
I'm Saffron, but you can call me Saffy, most people do.
In here.
George, pour me another. Certainly, sir. Welcome to the bar. What can I get you?
I am Saffy, and this is Bunny.
Nice to meet you both. I am Sam.
Why are we here? How did the four of us end up on the same train, in the same carriage?
Maybe we've lost our way. Some chasing fortune, some looking for adventure, some trying to outrun yesterday. And maybe, every now and then, life throws strangers together. What happens next? That's the only part any of us gets to choose. Ah, yes, reasons and choices. Funny how they always seem to arrive together. Forgive the interruption. I couldn't help overhearing your conversation, and I believe I may have something of interest to you. We're listening. You've all heard the old story about the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Most people dismiss it as folklore. They're mistaken. It does exist, and it can belong to whoever finds it. The difficulty, of course, isn't finding the gold. It's discovering where and what the rainbow really is.
Riches and adventure? That sounds absolutely spiffing. I'm game. What about the rest of you? Count me in.
So, this rainbow thing, what's that all about?
We'll be arriving at the next station shortly. If you're looking for answers, I believe that's where your journey truly begins. Well, here we are at last.
This is our stop.
Goodbye, buddy. Thanks for all the drinks.
It's freezing out here. Didn't George say something about a rainbow? Come on, let's get out of this rain.
Nice place.
The band looks great.
To new friends.
Everybody in! Cheese!